just got a breaking report. Apparently, schools in Darlington County such as Hartsville High, Darlington High, and even Lamar are using secret ringtones to bypass the law of no cell phones in school. This ringtone is unable to be heard by adults but can be perfectly heard by youths. Said to sound like the constant buzz of a mosquito, this tone's frequency is too high to be heard by aging ears. So if you can't hear it, you're old. Can you hear that? What? Can you hear that? Can it? Huh? Huh? Can it? You hear that?
Hear what?
Hey Ashley, can you hear this? Can it? Huh?
Ah!
Huh? Huh? Hey, Miss Thompson, can you hear this? I guess not. Hey Gary, can you hear this? Can you hear this?
Did you say something, Seth?
Hey guys, can you hear this? Yeah, I guess so. Mr. Edwards, can you hear this?
Oh, man.
But I didn't even press the button yet.
Oh.
Now, if there are sounds that adults can't hear, maybe there are sounds that teenagers can't hear.
Hey, Seth, I need you to take out the trash. Seth?
Yeah, I can't wait until I'm old enough to not hear noises. Maybe then I can get out doing the dishes or even laundry duty.